Hi people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to log out of your Instagram account step by step in a simple and easy way. First, go to the Instagram app. Make sure you are already logged into the account you want to log out from. Now tap on your profile. Symbol located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Next, look at the top right corner and tap on the three horizontal lines, also called the menu icon. A menu will appear from the bottom or side of the screen. From there, tap on Settings and Privacy to access your account options. Scroll down until you find the Logout option. Tap on it. Instagram may ask you to confirm your choice. Simply tap Log Out again to confirm, and your account will be successfully logged out. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more easy guides.